You know she's older when you walk in that bitch, the bedroom chilling like you can hold meat in that bitch. You gotta talk to your dick. Go on, warm up. Well, it's gonna be a cold one, buddy. That menopause pussy is different. God damn, I'm fucking in the refrigerator? God damn it. What is happening to this bitch? Oh, man. You don't get no regular shit either. You don't get no regular shit. I was fucking with an old woman. Fuck around, gave me gout. Get some pussy, fuck around and get rickets. How the fuck you do that? Got shingles and shit. Oh, man. It's a new day. It's a new day. Everybody's doing something. Everybody gay.